Hey YouTubers and cake lovers, it's Farah again from the Cake Cafe. I hope you watched my vanilla cake recipe and tried it out, and I hope you enjoyed it. I was going to do nothing today. I wanted to just bum around, just be lazy all day, but as soon as I put my little one to sleep, I got bored and I thought, what's the next best thing after a vanilla cake recipe? Chocolate cake recipe. So today I'm going to be sharing my chocolate sponge recipe with you all, which my customers absolutely love. I always get great feedback from it. It's moist, it's soft, it's fluffy, and even if you freeze it, it does not come out dense. Once it's back to room temperature, it's still moist and soft. So yeah, let's get started with this, and again, try this recipe out if you guys like it and let me know how it turns out. I've got sugar and butter, which I'm going to combine and mix until it's light and fluffy. I've got plain flour here mixed with cocoa powder, salt, baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. I have 5 eggs here, and I've also got some buttermilk. I'll write the amounts of each ingredient down below. I've not said it out because I normally make a larger quantity of this mixture, but today I'm doing half plus half of a half, if that makes sense. So I don't know the amounts by heart for this one, so I will write it down below. Let's get started. Again, you want to beat the sugar and butter until it's soft, light and fluffy. Gradually build the speed up. Again, use your spatula to scrape down the mixer, the beater. Again, use your spatula to wipe down the sides and the beater. I'll give that about another 20 seconds. Now add the eggs, again 2 at a time. Now guys, you need to, I don't know which way the camera is, there it is. Now guys, you need to alternate the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So we're going to start off with the flour and cocoa powder mixture. So add half of the mixture in. Mix that on low speed to begin with. Scrape the sides again, just to try and get that all mixed in evenly. Now add in half of the buttermilk. Let's give that another mix. Now add in a little bit more of your dry mixture. don't want to stir this too much, you just want to mix it enough so that everything is combined. You don't want to overmix it. That is my baby in the back. I'm not sure if you can hear her, but she is talking quietly in baby talk. Right, now add in the rest of the buttermilk, all of it. And now add in the remaining flour. Right, just turn that off and just do the rest by hand. Well, using your spatula, obviously. Right, so your mixture is done. Guys, I'm going to place this mixture in 3 6-inch pans. My baby's just talking in the back. I'm going to bake this in 3 6-inch pans. So I'm going to bake this at 170 degrees for 40 minutes, and I will show you the end result. My husband's working from the office today, so he's not going to be in this video. No funny clips from him today. Let's take a look at these, fresh out of the oven, soft to the touch. This is not burnt, by the way, it's just, obviously, cake is always darker on the edges. I guarantee you will love this recipe, so do try it out and let me know. I actually filled these in about half of the pan, so it wasn't 40 minutes in the oven, it was 35 at 170 degrees. Guys, one more thing, please don't forget to do that thing that all of the YouTubers say, which is to like and subscribe and like videos if you want to stay up to date with my videos, and yeah, get the latest videos that I upload. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!